Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Rime, and today we are doing an unboxing video again. This time a brick of the Icewind Dale Rime of the Frostmaiden set. That's the first out of 4 bricks, so consider subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out the other 3. So I quickly unwrap the foil and then we'll start. So as I unwrap the foil, I already cut the boxes open. And as you can see at the size of the boxes, here are huge miniatures included. So let's start the first box out of 32, only 8 today. So what do you got here? Okay, I think that is the werebear. The Goliath werebear right here. I think that's a pretty nice miniature. And then we go to the smaller ones. That is a ragged nomad with a spear. Yeah, as always you can see the spear is bent. But the cool thing, we got those clear bases, so this is a reprint set, what is always good because you got better paintings on this reprints. And here, oh, I love this. This is a mountain goat. It's mountain goats. Those mountain goats are pretty good for everything like a bit of setting, for example. Here we get a human hunter. The fur here on this cape looks nice. Nearly looks like it's not fur. It seems like some skulls, maybe, with a bit of fantasy. Yeah. And that's box number 1. So we go to box number 2. Let's see what we are gonna get in the other boxes. No, that's a lighter one. And we got a reindeer. Also very cool because you need a lot of reindeers to get a horde of reindeers. I love it. That's my second one. And I think here we got the first rare miniature. It's the Winter Womb. That's one of the special miniatures only for the Icewind Dale scenario. And here we got a small miniature, also with a spear, but this spear is not bent. It's a Chwinger with a icicle staff. Very cool miniature. Very cool with this translucent spear. And here, another creature you can't have enough. Kobold Mountaineer. Very nice miniature. You never can have too many kobolds. That's not happening. So, that was booster number 2. Go to number 3. I'm excited. What are we gonna get? Oh my god, that's a big one. That's the Yeti. Oh, and it's broken. Here, the finger is broken. That's the abominable, oh god, abominable Yeti. And here the finger's broken. So I have to fix that. that's not a problem. Some glue will fix that problem. I think that's a kobold again. That's a kobold vampire spawn. Looks very cool, this miniature. Very nice kobold here. Love it. That's a big miniature for a medium-sized mini. That's a Goliath barbarian. Look how huge this shield is. Yeah, the spear is bent as always, but can you see that? The shield is nearly as big as the kobold. And the last miniature here is a gnome xenomorph. Some of the little mind flayers here in this set. And also, it's as big or small as the shield of the Goliath. That's huge, this shield. Yeah, I have to fix the Yeti, but the Yeti looks so brutal. Very nice miniature. I love to get that inside of my players. So, the next one. Booster number 4. Ooh, that's one of the capstone minis of this set. That is a frost giant. Love it. Ooh, that's bigger than I thought. That's really, really big. The base is slightly bent, but ooh, that is so nice. That's such a nice miniature. And what do you get here? A Sled the dog. Dog is never bad. You can use it for a city dog, or maybe for a hunter as a pet. And here our first duplicate. Another Goliath barbarian with a big, with a better spear, not so bad as the other one, but also very nice, very nice. I love it. And here we got a Durga Mindmaster. Love to get dwarfs, and cool thing is about a dwarf and a giant in the same package. What you can have wished for. So, just look at those pauldrons here. Oh, nice. Love it. Just love it. Then, up to the next one. Booster number 5. Ooh, that's bigger than I thought. That is a frost salamander. Very, very nice. Here's this cut where the figure is put together, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I think that's another Chwinga, but this time it doesn't have a spear. Yeah, it's with a snowball. Yeah, right. It has a small snowball here in its hand. Very cool miniature. Love it. Love the small ones. And here, that is a goblin. A snow goblin. With a funny little helmet. Skull. Cool sword. You can't have enough goblins too. Also nice miniature. Love it. Gnolls. Yeah. Also beautiful. Gnolls, kobolds, orcs, and goblins. You can't have enough of them. You can throw them at 100 on your players later in the game. Even in the late game, they can be very dangerous with a lot of them. So booster number 6. Let's see what's here inside. Ooh, that's the sweet, sweet little city owlbear. It's sitting here, so sweet. One of the sweetest miniatures WizKids made, I think. And here we got the knucklehead trout. Sadly, I don't have a knucklehead trout of the old set before it was reprinted, but I once saw one and this is so much better. So if you get hands on your set here, look that you get a hands on the reprint. The quality of the miniatures are so much better. And the clear base also. We have an Arctic fox here. Sweet little Arctic fox. Also very cool for have a fight into wood. It can replace a normal fox too. What does he get here? Durgar Stone Guard. Nice little miniature. Also cool to use. Can be a player character too. So, 6 boosters in, only 2 to go. Let's see what the last ones bring. We go with this one. Let's have a look what's inside here. Ooh, a killer whale. Nice. That's also bigger than I thought. There are many creatures here. They're bigger than I thought. And the cool thing is the whole creature is here. It's not cut, so you can't see there's the whole whale here. And then the translucent part is put around it. Very cool. Love it. That would be a cool encounter on sea. Right, that seems like another duplicate. No, it isn't. It is a ragged nomad with a cage. With cage. Can't see a cage here. Nothing inside. But it doesn't have a spear, so nope, no duplicate. But here's another duplicate. Again, a knucklehead trout. A bit more reddish and a little less bluish in the water, but also very cool. And here is a human trapper. It's like the same as the hunter, just with a hood and another slightly other bow, but looks pretty good to me. And that's the 7th. And up to the last one. Yeah! The big bad mammoth for the win, for the last one. Ah, yeah. Love it. You just have to love a good mammoth. And what do we have here? That's Auroch Ranger. That's a pretty huge miniature. Well, I don't know. Auroch or Goliath? Pretty much the same size. Pretty huge for a medium creature. And what do we got here? It looks like that's Tackly Lee. I think that's a character of the Icewind Dale adventure, but you can easily use this as a werewolf, for example, or some other were creatures. Maybe a were fox if you want to use it like that. So, imagination is the limit. And here, okay, here we have a funny one. Is that a gnome squiddling? Yeah, it's some kind of mind flayer thing here. Just walking here on these tentacles. Pretty cool miniature. Love it. Yeah, and that was the first unboxing of 4 for the Icewind Dale Rime of the Frostmaiden set. As you can see, that's a reprint set, which is comes along with a better paint and the clear bases for the smaller creatures too. I do really like this. The clear bases a lot more than the other ones, the black bases, because you can see what's beneath the creature. It's much better in my opinion as a DM. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and share this video with your friends. I would appreciate your support and see you the next time. Bye!